Yeah.
Fumetsu
It's
no
not surprising.
Aratai.
Hmm.
What is
This
this?
is the one I told you to read To Your Eternity. Remember, some people in the comments also telling us it got
Yeah.
really popular. You should read the synopsis, and tell me what you think.
It can do in the
Read it
beginning an
aloud,
orb
bro.
is.
Or read it
Hmm.
aloud. An epic
Yeah,
fantasy
yeah,
saga of an
stream.
immortal hero's quest to understand what it is to live. In the beginning, an orb is cast onto Earth. It can
Hmm.
do two things: change into the form of the thing that simulates it, and come back to life after death. It
Hmm.
morphs from orb to rock, then to wolf, and finally to boy. Finally to boy, okay.
Yes.
But roams
Yes,
around
to
like a newborn who knows nothing. As a boy,
Hmm.
it becomes Fushi. Through encounters with human kindness, Fushi not only gains survival skills but grows as a person. It's really weird that they put everything in inverted commas, because now I'm starting to
Yeah.
doubt like everything. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
is
It's
it
like, oh,
actually a
this
person or is it a
person.
person?
Yeah, the wolf. Yeah.
But his journey is darkened by inexplicable and destructive enemy
Hmm.
Hmm.
Knocker,
Yeah.
as well as cruel
Knocker.
partings with the people he loves. Fushi continues his eternal quest, bearing the pain of living with the fortitude of someone who chooses his
Yeah.
own path. Who writes these synopsis?
No clue.
I am up for hire.
Oh,
Please,
it's-
I will write
Dude.
it properly for you.
It's written scroll. It's Source Crunchyroll.
So it's quite Crunchyroll. Someone in
Crunchyroll, come
write this shit
on,
down.
up your game, Crunchyroll, up your game, just a bit. I'm up for hire. I'll do it. I can write, sort of.
No, he works for
This guy's already
V101.
ditching V101. The second he sees fucking Crunchyroll.
I'm pretty sure Crunchyroll is not going to deny me the opportunity to continue making anime videos if I'm writing synopsis for them.
Yes, Crunchyroll will be like, yeah, sure. But yeah,
Yeah,
this,
they'll be
seemed
like, yeah,
really-
these guys get 6 whole views on their videos. That's too much of a threat.
And you know, Crunchyroll is watching this live stream right now.
Of course, one of our viewers on Twitch I can see right now is Crunchyroll official.
Of course.
Yes.
Oh, we have someone on YouTube. Who's this? Oh, Lavanya is watching us on YouTube. She
Oh,
commented.
I see.
Mhm.
What did she
Hello.
comment?
She said, "Yes, you guys are amazing."
Wow, I see.
But
Thanks.
yes, it's nice to have someone watch us.
Don't
but
worry.
yeah.
I'm almost certain that she's not listening and she just kept it on in the background to show that she's
Mute,
online.
yeah,
And then
yeah.
she's just like muted it, and then she's going to put in random comments for as long as she stays. Then she's going to get bored and go.
Hmm.
Yep, that sounds about right.
Okay, then we
This
have.
thing. Yeah, I want to talk about Fumetsu.
Oh, okay.
Like, it's because it's still from last season. You know, it's not the summer. It's still ongoing. It's ending now. It did
Oh.
seem like really interesting, and a lot of people were talking about it. You know, I used to see the images of the boy with the wolf and everything on the internet. And yeah, it seems like there's this sentient being, you know,
It.
who's basically taking
Who's a
different,
boy?
Yes.
Who's a wolf?
who's some kind of an
Who's a
an
rock
alien, I
and
guess.
wolf boy.
Yeah, seems like
he's some
an
kind
alien.
of an alien, and he's trying to learn about Earth through his experiences, kind of something like that. I don't know.
But what
yeah.
what do they mean by immortal? If he dies, does he come back to life immediately? Does his whole cycle reset? Does he lose all his memories? How does it work?
Yeah, I'm not sure either. Maybe he doesn't die at all. I don't know.
I see.
That could also be the case. But yeah, we'll be checking this out.
It's
So
probably going to be a reset. Who knows?
By we, he probably means me because he never checks out stuff.
Yeah, he's never going to
no,
watch
this
it.
is on my list too. So I
Oh,
will check
okay.
this out too. Don't worry. Yeah.
Oh, it seems like Record of Ragnarok has a new chapter out. I just got a notification on my
Damn.
Crunchyroll app.
App, yeah, of course.
Okay, so we'll check out
Fumetsu no Anatae.
exactly.
And we shall move on. Now you can move on to the next one,
And
which
that is Mairi Mashita.
whatever.
Iruma-kun, second season. The chaotic school life continues. Suzuki Iruma, human
not
and
gonna watch
deeply
this
non-aggressive, one day becomes the grandson of the great demon Sullivan. Toted on beyond relief, Iruma starts school where grandpa... Okay, I'm tired of all these quotation marks. Where grandpa
Yeah.
serves
Wait, is this
as the
also
chair
Crunchyroll? No.
and
this is
finds
for
to his
NSK.
surprise that he enjoys life there. with Asmodeus, Clara, and the rest of his demon classmates was just when Iruma thought he'd fitted in. There's more trouble ahead. A ring begins to talk, and Iruma goes bad. He goes bad, guys. He goes bad. Iruma's chaotic, demonic life at
Why did
school
it?
continues. Well, see, here's the thing. On one hand, they have mistakes, but on the other hand, this seems better than Crunchyroll. Okay, like if I'm being honest, this translation was better than Crunchyroll.
it doesn't
Are
have
we
as many
ranking-
We are also ranking
Yeah.
their descriptions.
The
okay?
best synopsis.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll be talking about the best
If
synopsis.
you have bad English,
Hmm.
my God.
The slime part 2 has the best synopsis, I would say. That's winning.
Yes, the same
Yes.
with Boku. Yes.
Yes, same with Boku. But let's see.